How's it going there? So this evening I want to talk to you about foliar feeding plant, and what that means is we've a rose bush here beside us. So foliar feeding is feeding the foliage basically. So not every product out there is ideal for foliar feeding plant. Our liquid seaweed and our liquid rose tonic they're designed for foliar feeding. So with our liquid seaweed, you know, I suppose for all around foliar feeding, for fruit trees, you have our plum trees here, we put into a knapsack like this and we spray the leaf. And when you spray the leaf will actually absorb the nutrients faster than up through the root system, and that's why it makes it very powerful. Also what it does is it's adding, the seaweed has high concentrates of carbohydrates in it, so what it's doing is getting the sugars going in the plant, and when you get more sugar in the plant you're going to get better blooms, better fruits, and more healthier plants, and if you'll find the blooms will last for longer. Because this rose bush here, like, I can't believe the amount of bloom we have on this year. It's actually fallen over, there's that much on it, because we've been feeding it there with our rose tonic every fortnight, just going around feeding them. Absolutely super way to do it. Thank you very much. I'll agree better.